Good morning, children. Our today Narayana live classes theme. Dated on 23rd June 2020 for the class 6th. Subject Social Studies. The topic of today is from gathering food to growing food. Gathering food to growing food. Okay, children? So we have learned about the early man. How did the early man live his life? He led a nomadic life. He started moving from one place to the other place. But here the question given is, identify which is not the reason for the early man to stay in one place. So early man, what is that? Before he started moving nomadic life, now he started settling life. He started a settled life. So first option is he started growing the crops. Okay, he started growing the crops and he started watering them. So it is correct option. Second option is that he started storing the food. He started storing the grains. This is also the correct option. And the third option is he has driving away the birds at the time of ripening the crops, because the birds may spoil the crop. So he is looking after the crops. He started a settled life. So all the three options are correct. So here in the first question, option D, none, is the answer. Second question, what they have given, identify the correct statement. So first thing is, early man started growing the crops and watering the crops and weeding them. So these three, he started a settling life, he started growing the crops. It is the correct. He started watering them. Second option is that, what is that? He stopped in search of food. He stopped moving from one place to the other place in search of food. This is also the correct option. Third option, what is the third option? He started storing this food grains. He started storing the food grains. This is also the correct option. So option D, all are correct options. Okay. Next, the huts of this period are made up of. In this period, the huts are made up of what? The huts are made up of? They are made up of stones. So here option A. Next, fourth question is that, with the increase in the production in agriculture and the animal rearing, it led to what? It made them necessary to prepare the vessels. Option B. Prepare the vessels and to paint them. Prepare vessels and paint them. So B and C are correct options. So option D, B and C. Next, fifth question. Archaeologist has named the new stone tools used by the early farmers. So archaeologist means who? The people who study about the past, digging the earth. So these people has named the tools used by the early people as what they named as Neolith. Neolith, B option, Neolith. Next, what is the sixth question? Cooking made them necessary. So when the early man started, this early people started the cooking, they made it necessary. What they had? They have to made necessary to prepare the grinding stone. Option A is grinding stone and option B is vessels and option C is stove. All are correct. So here D options, D all. Next, seventh question. What is the question given here? How did the early man prepare the axe? So he has taken a sharp stone. He has taken a sharp stone and he started grinding it on a big rock because it becomes more sharp. So he took a sharp stone and grind them on a big rock to become more sharper. And what did he do? He has he has handled, he has taken a wooden handle and he has fixed this sharp stone to the wooden handle. So fixed it to the wooden handle. Wooden handle. So this is used to cut the trees. This is used to cut the trees. So this is how he prepared the axe. Next question is write about the Neolithic age. So Neolithic age. Here the early people started using different tools. They started using new tools. Using new tools different from the early man. Different, these people of this period, they started using new tools different from the early period, early people. So here neo means new. Lith means stone. So this age is called as Neolithic. So this period is called as Neolithic period. This period is called Neolithic. So thank you children.